Hello students, now we will discuss about phaeophycy members of Thallophyta. Under Thallophyta we have seen three different groups: Chlorophycy, Phaeophycy and Rhodophycy. Already we have discussed about Chlorophycy members of algae. Now we will see about Phaeophycy members of algae. These Phaeophycy members are also called as brown algae. Brown algae are seen in marine water. Means there are no freshwater forms. In Chlorophycy members, we have seen there are unicellular forms, but in case of Phaeophycy, we see only multicellular filamentous forms. So Phaeophycy members, they means include multicellular filamentous forms. Phaeophycy members include the largest algae, that is Macrocystis, and also other algae, that is Laminaria, which is also called as kelps. This group includes largest algae like Macrocystis, which ranges about 100 meters. It also includes the largest sized algae, other one, that is kelp. Kelp is also the longest algae. The body shape, here these are exhibiting thallophytic body. So their plant body has, at the bottom part there is a special structure called as hold fast, which is sticking to the substratum. Hold fast, that helps in attaching to substratum. Now, this is base part. Suppose we can say this part as hold fast. Then how the remaining plant body looks like? So roughly we can say it is looking like this. We say the bottom part as hold fast. The stem-like structure is called as stipe. Now this is green leaf-like. The total structure will be leaf-like. That is called as frond or lamina. So this group members are also given a term like laminaria. These group members are also called as leafy stage algae, like frond. This is also called as frond, and this is stipe. Stem-like stipe and leaf-like frond or lamina. Here, because of this name, these group members are also called laminaria. This brown algae, because of presence of the total maximum part of the body in leaf shape, these are also called as leafy stage. So there are different names under this Phaeophyce members. Plant body has cell wall with inner cellulose covered by a gelatinous sheath made of algae. Now, what is algae? Algae is a substance that has high water holding capacity. Algae has more water holding capacity. These are also called as phycocolloids. So algae also called as phycocolloid. This algae in form of as a phycocolloid, it protects brown algae from desiccation and shocks, means from damaging and also from shocks and from shocks. In general, we use algae as a thickening agent. We'll write that one here. Algae is used as a thickening agent. While fixing a new artificial teeth, at that time, during the dentary measurements, means while measuring the size of the teeth, also at that time this algae is used. So we will write algae is used in dentary measurement. Algae is also used by in manufacturing of ice creams and also polishes and also plastic. Algae also used in ice cream, polish, plastic manufacturing. Some brown algae forms has central more vacuoles, nucleus and plastics in the protoplast plastics. Now this is the structure of laminaria. In this subtopic, means Phaeophyce members, diagrammatic representation is also very important, because sometimes they used to give the diagram as it is and ask us to identify what is name of that particular algae. Next, asexual reproduction is by fragmentation. Next, sexual reproduction includes isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. During sexual reproduction, the gametes are first one, male. It is also called as antheridium. Its body is of pear-shaped or pyriform with two unequal flagella. So they are called as biflagellated. has pear shape or pyriform with two unequal flagella. Next, female gamete, which is called as oogonium or oogonium or egg. After formation of zygote, zygote undergoes mitotic division, means asexual reproduction, mitosis, to give out sporophyta. So now this is diploid, this is also diploid in nature. This one undergoes meiosis. Meiosis also called as reduction division. Now it gives out zoospores. These zoospores are of two types. They germinate and give two types of gametophytes. That is female egg and male antheride. So this is male gamete and this is female gamete. And again they fuse to give out zygote. Fertilization to give out zygote, that is diploid form. Here this is haploid in nature, this is haploid in nature. Zoospores are haploid in nature because once reduction division has happened. This is diploid in nature. Now we will see the examples and diploidy examples under this. Fucus exhibits diplontic life cycle. Exception in Phaeophyceae with diplontic life cycle. Fucus has air bladders. So these are air bladders. This is frond or leaf-like structure, and this is holdfast, which attaches to the substratum. Holdfast. Next example is Dictyota. So Dictyota also has holdfast. So whenever it is giving rise to one branch, it gives into two divisions. Like this. Any branch that has been raised has two branches in case of Dictyota. So di means two, so that we are giving name as Dictyota. So all this will be cytoplasm inside living material. So this is holdfast. And this will be frond. Other example, Ectocarpus, the smallest algae. means it is having 30 centimeters long. Other examples we can see here as kelps, the largest or the longest algae. So we'll give numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is fifth one, sargassum. So sargassum, it is also called as gulf weed. It grows for nearly 1,000 kilometers. It occupies nearly 1,000 kilometers of area in oceans. In the North Atlantic Ocean, this sargassum has occupied many thousand kilometers of ocean water. So this is also called as that region, North Atlantic region, also called as Sargasso Sea. Also called Gulf weed. Sargassum seen in North Atlantic Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean. Now, these kelps are used to obtain iodine and bromine. Iodine and bromine. Kelp, also called as devil's apron. Next, the reserve food material in case of brown algae is laminarin and mannitol. Reserve food material is laminarin and mannitol. This is one point. Second one, pigments present here are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. In chlorophyll members, we have seen reserve food material is starch. There, the photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Here, photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. It also includes beta carotene and xanthophylls. Ectocarpus and kelp both exhibits or both shows haplodiplontic life cycle. Haplodiplontic life cycle. So we have seen fucus exhibiting diplontic life cycle. What are MCQs important means ectocarpus and kelp, they exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle, etc.